Okay, the Web 2.0 tool that we're gonna, sorry about that. The Web 2.0 tool that we're gonna do today is called Wix. So what you'll do is you just go to www.wix.com. What this is it's a way for you to create your own website. We're not gonna go through the whole entire thing due to time, so let's just go and do the website that I'm working on for my final showcase. You would just go here, you would edit your website, you'll have a title, you'll have all these other kind of things that you can do, and it's pretty cool because it could be used for businesses or anything like that. So first, here's my home page, and you can just click on it. If you want to edit a text, you can just double click it, and then you can type something in your text here. You can change your image, you can edit your image, you can create a title for it, and you can do all that stuff. So let's just kind of go in the beginning. Say that we want to do just a new page. So we go here, here's your pages. You want to add a page, and of course add a page here. And you'll just make a title. So let's just say Screencast. So here's our title. And then we double click on here because this is going to be the title of our paragraph that we're going to write. So Screencast Demo, because that's what we're doing now. What we can also do is kind of go here and say for this module and just kind of give like a basic blah 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 step here. I am creating my screencast while typing this paragraph. Oh, if I could spell paragraph. Okay, so here's my screencast, and then that way you could even change your color of your title. So a theme that I've been doing with mine is here, and then if you wanted to add, you can add a text, which will give you a title or a paragraph, or you can go back. You can add your images, a gallery, which has all these kind of different things that you can do with it. You can add media, so video, SoundCloud, document, audio play, iTunes button, Spotify player, any of that. You can do shapes, lines, buttons, menus, blogs, online, social, list builder, all of that. So to kind of give you an idea of what I did without going through way too much detail, we'll go here to preview, and then that way we can kind of see what I did, and I'll just explain it from there. So preview will go to home, and then here's my little picture of my son Easton, and you can click on family, and of course I just added regular text here, added pictures, and then this was in the shapes and lines button. And some of my hobbies. Of course, same thing, title, paragraphs, pictures. And then next in the time capsule, what I went ahead and did is I attached this video, or Google Slides is what it is, another Web 2.0 tool. And I attached this file to the thing, and it shows you my time capsule information. And then we'll go to web quest. Here it shows you like the web quest, the fairy tales, and all that. If you click on here, this picture, it would send you to the website that I created on WebQuest, sorry. Then Photoshop, just again, I did the lines here, and before, after, and moved around these pictures here. Service learning, I went ahead and there's actually 2 documents on here that I did to add, and then you can add a video. It needs to be either Vimeo, I think, or YouTube, and so you just add that on there. And then I screenshotted this picture so I could show you my poster that I did. Then here I added some pictures, and then I even added a little soundtrack here that shows you my definition of an onomatopoeia. I recorded that in GarageBand. Flip stack storytelling I have here. I screenshotted all of my pictures and of my story, and so that way somebody could read it on their own time. Sound editing. If you click here, it tells my story, so it's just yet another SoundCloud thing that you can do. App presentation, I did my app presentation, and then I got my video on YouTube, and then you could just click here and watch it. Yet again, just the same thing as you did with the Vimeo. Then your smart board tools, I went ahead and added my video from that. And then Screencast, which is what I just created now, but that's pretty much the gist of it. You can go and things, and one thing I forgot to mention is these cool little things. You could add this in there, and you just click on Facebook, and it'd send you like right to my Facebook, which we won't do that too much, but yeah, there's my Facebook, and that's pretty much the gist of it. Just nice little things that you can do. You can go back to editor, you could add all these things, you could go to settings, and then make sure, the most important thing is to make sure you save constantly, or else you'll lose all the work that you did. But that's my screencast demo.